Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. So friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare a refreshing drink during summers, and it's healthy also. Here I am preparing only 2 glasses. For that I have taken 1 fresh cucumber, 1 medium size lemon. Now first I will be peeling the skin of cucumber. So after peeling, now we'll cut the top and the bottom part. I'm cutting and removing the top and the bottom part. So I will be cutting the lemon. Okay, so this is also ready. Cucumber is also ready. Now I will be taking a mixie jar. This I will be adding cucumber. So I'll cut and add cucumber. It's already washed. Okay, and now I will squeeze 1 whole lemon. I am added 1 glass of water as I am making 2 glass. First I have added 1 glass of water. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. And this is another tablespoon. So total 2 tablespoons of sugar I have added. Now I will grind this. So after grinding, juice is ready. Now we will strain this in a strainer. So I am using the strainer to strain the juice. I will mix it nicely. Can you see the beautiful green color? Now we can taste. If you want more sugar, you can add this time. So here guys, I have taken 2 glasses. Okay, one I will be making with black salt as a masala, cucumber and lemon drink, and one simple. Okay, so in 1 glass I will be adding a little bit of black salt. This glass I have added black salt. Now to this, first I will be adding a cucumber, lemon and sugar mixture. Half glass. Same other. But in this I have not added salt. Some ice cubes. Now I will be adding 1 plain soda. You can even add 7-Up if you like, but here I am adding plain soda. So and we'll give a mix. For decoration, putting some mint leaf on top. Friends, do try this at home and give your suggestion. It's so refreshing in this summers during the Ramadan. Please do try this. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, like and share with your friends and family. Till then, bye. Love you all.